welcome to Real Food. So today we're still in lockdown in London, so cafes and shops are closed, and I felt like something from a bakery, something really unusual, something, well, because I've been eating fruit and veg and just cooking myself, and with all the cafes closed, I miss my pastry. So I looked I logged on to Deliveroo to see what's available, because I've seen some shops and bars are actually open, but you can only order takeaway from them. You can't actually go in and get your food there. So, and I found this amazing Asian bakery. It's Japanese and Chinese style bakery, and they have really amazing pastries and buns in there, and I really like those Japanese and Chinese pastries, but very often they don't actually include a picture in there, so they've only included one photo, but there are many other things where they don't include a picture. So I thought I would order it and do a short review and show you what those things actually look like. So I ordered a strawberry cake. It's well, it sounds delicious. It's a strawberry shortcake. So, but this is what it arrived in this in this box, all beautifully packaged. I ordered about four cakes, and let's see what they are. I actually like. Oh my God! Look at this. This is absolutely amazing. So I ordered four cakes. And here they are. I did order two types of matcha green tea cakes. So this is one of them, and there's another one. This is more like a roll. And I guess this is the strawberry shortcake. It looks amazing. It looks like the strawberry at the top, and there will be more strawberries at the bottom. So let's have a look. Yes, this is really beautiful. This is their strawberry shortcake, and this, I guess, is their green tea tart or tartlet. So this is what it looks like. This green tea cake, and this one is their chocolate ghetto. This is the chocolate ghetto here. Looks amazing. I haven't tried any of these actually yet, so I imagine they're really delicious. So, and this one is another green tea cake, but this is a roll. This is a matcha roll cake. This is what it looks like. So it's all arrived on time, beautifully presented. I really like it, and I really like this Deliveroo service. It's so nice that they're still operating, so you can try some additional treats in addition to what you cook at home, because it does get quite boring, if you just cook at home. And to actually prepare cakes like this, it would take me a huge amount of time, and I'm not sure I'd be able to actually produce anything as beautiful and as delicious as this. So it's great that we've got them. So I will also cover how the ordering process. I mean, if you haven't used Deliveroo, I don't normally use Deliveroo actually during outside this lockdown, but I decided to give them a try, and I was very surprised and very impressed with their service. They're really good, and they give you an update, and those guys on bicycles, they come in very quickly. They bring everything in very well packaged and in good condition. So I will also show you what I actually ordered online and this specific bakery. So now I'm going to show you the Deliveroo site and the bakery from which I ordered these beautiful cakes. So the Deliveroo is a UK-wide, if I'm not mistaken, delivery company. They deliver food from various restaurants, cafes, fast food restaurants, etc. So, and the bakery I used this time is called Kova Patisserie Chinatown. And what they say about themselves is that Kova Patisserie specializes in handmade cakes with a Japanese twist and organic Japanese teas. We offer Londoners the chance to taste and experience the latest cafe culture from East Asia. Try us today on Deliveroo. So they do have several shops in London, and they later on they might have other branches throughout UK. And I don't know if they actually have their shops and cafes in other countries. They might do, because they say they're bringing this experience from East Asia. And the reason why I wanted to get something from this bakery is that they are quite unusual. The pastries and tarts and cakes they bake, they are very different from traditional European cakes. And I have tried something from them in the past, but during outside before pandemic lockdown, these patisseries are really busy. You sometimes have to wait to actually get a cake, and they're very popular with Asians, definitely. And I also really like green tea cakes. Cakes basically with infusions of matcha tea or green tea. The cream, for example, the filling could be made with matcha or green tea mixed into it, or even the pastry itself could be made from green tea. So I really like those, and Kova, this bakery, is one of few that make such cakes. You can also order them from typically Japanese restaurants. They normally have them on the menu. But outside those, they're not really sold in shops, not even in very expensive shops. So this is a really good opportunity for me, and I'm really glad that they actually work with Deliveroo, and I can order it while everything is closed. So this is the bakery. Now you've seen it, and you can also try it if you are in London, or maybe if you're in another country and they also operate there, you could try these cakes. So in the next screen I will show you the actual cakes that they make. So these are the choices of cake that I was given. They also have smaller bite-sized snacks, but these are the main menus for their cakes. So they are quite famous for these multi-layered pancake style cakes, and you can see this one is called Matcha Crepes, and this is like made of a multitude of pancakes really. And there's a filling that has matcha tea. I didn't actually order this particular one because I actually did try these pancake cakes before, and I do like them, but I simply wanted to try something different this time. So if you haven't tried these unusual multi-layered sort of pancake tarts, do go ahead and do try them. They're not as heavy as for example, if you know what pancakes are like, and you find them heavy, well, the ones they use to make these tarts, they're not as heavy. So they're much thinner and they're lighter, and so you're not going to feel too heavy after this. I mean, they are still filling, and this is still a lot of carbohydrates in there, and sugar and cream and other things, but they're generally very light. And this is what I like about Asian bakeries, is that everything is very light and very airy. So matcha and chocolate pancake tarts, do try them if you have an opportunity. What I did order, I ordered a strawberry shortcake, and you can see it here at the very bottom of this screen, on the left, bottom left. So £6.60. It says popular. Fresh strawberry cream cake, light and fluffy, all-time classic. So I did order one of those, and it's amazing. I already tried it. It's really delicious. It's like strawberry and cream are made into a cake, really, and everything is very light. The pastry is sponge-like but much lighter, and the cream is delicious, very light cream, and fresh strawberries in there. So it's a really beautiful summery cake. So another two cakes I tried that are not actually on this screen. There's oh no, it is on this screen. So it's bottom right, £4.95, called Matcha roll cake. So you've seen them in my video. You've seen that roll cake in my video. So This is like a Swiss roll style cake, only infused with matcha green tea, and I really like it. And I did try it already. It's really amazing. It's very similar to Swiss roll type of cake, much lighter, and it's full of green tea, so you feel this green tea taste, matcha tea in it. And another one that I ordered, is it on this screen? No, I don't think it's on this screen, but the one I ordered, it's also £4 something, like £4.50 or something like that, and it's called green tea tart. It's green tea tart, and it's that round cake that you've seen in the video, and it's absolutely delicious. It's got very rich green tea cream, and it's all infused with green tea. The pastry is not, it's just a standard conventional pastry, so it's not infused with green tea, but everything else is green tea, so I really liked it. It was really, really good. And what else did I order? Yes, I ordered something else, and this other cake, it's called Chocolate Ghetto. It's not actually on this screen, and you've now also got a different screen. This screen now is showing you a selection of teas that they offer. I didn't actually order any teas, but you will probably like them because they're also very unusual. I didn't order them this time because I didn't want any liquids and drinks spilling potentially during the delivery, because I had like so many cakes, like 4 of them, and it doesn't happen very often, but occasionally drinks can actually leak, and then you end up your cake, you know, spoiled by the liquids. So I didn't order teas, but have a look at this menu. They offer a good selection of teas, which you can't actually get from other places. But the very last cake, also you've seen it in my video, the chocolate cake, Chocolate Ghetto. It's also, if you scroll down, it will be somewhere there, but it's just not on this screen. I haven't actually tried that last cake yet, but I suspect it will be just as good as all other cakes. My main goal here was to get more green tea cakes and to try those, because I really like those. And that Chocolate Ghetto cake was just an additional item to try. I imagine it's also very nice. So I'm not going to review that chocolate cake here, but I might do in some follow-up video maybe. But there's plenty of information for you now already in this review. Hopefully you liked my review, and do share some of your own stories about bakeries or restaurants and shops that you use to order from, you know, using Deliveroo or any other food delivery services. It's all very useful, and it would be good to share this information. I mean, when I go to Deliveroo, I don't actually use them very often, and when I do go, I find so much choice there that it's incredibly almost difficult to choose what you want to order there, because there's just too much. And some shops you go in and descriptions are so exotic and so unusual, and there is no photo either, so you kind of have to guess what it is you're going to be getting. They don't list ingredients, well, at least not in all shops, so sometimes it's an unusual exotic description, and you can't see a picture and you don't know what it is. So it's good to actually have reviews and photos and be able to see what it is you're getting from Deliveroo. But overall, it's fantastic service. I really like it, and hopefully you also enjoy this review, and you have a great time ordering your food from Deliveroo or Uber Eats or any other service. Thank you for watching, and I'll chat to you again soon.